In this class, we will discuss about the Pelton wheel or Pelton turbine. The, the main parts of the Pelton wheels are nozzle with the flow regulating arrangement, runner with bucket, casing and a braking jet. These are the four main parts of the Pelton wheel. So before going to we discuss about the Pelton wheel. We are going to discuss about the Pelton wheel. Pelton wheel is an impulse turbine. It is a impulse turbine. It is the only the available of energy at the head is kinetic energy, and the flow of the turbine is the tangential flow. And from the jet it directly strikes the bucket, and it operates at the high head and a low specific speed. At the inlet, the only kinetic energy is available, and pressure in the pressure at inlet and outlet of the turbine only atmosphere. Only atmosphere. Let us the working of the Pelton wheel. The Pelton wheel is a tangential flow impulse turbine. At the impulse turbine, only the kinetic energy is available, which operates under the high head of water. It operates at the high head of water and requires the less quantity of water. In this turbine, all the available head of water is converted into kinetic energy at nozzle before it strikes the series of curved buckets mounted on a rim of runner. The Pelton turbine fully under the atmosphere condition, the wheel does not require to full run. In this turbine is located well above the tail race level, and a draft tube is not generally used in it. And let us discuss major parts of this Pelton wheel is the nozzle with the flow regulating arrangement, and the runner with buckets, casing and a braking jet. Let us see first the nozzle and a flow regulating arrangement. So see the nozzle which converts the pressure energy into high pressure into when the water is entering into the nozzle with a high pressure and low velocity, and it discharges at a low pressure and high velocity. The water from the penstock transfer the water from the reservoir to turbine. At the end of the penstock, there is a nozzle in which the nozzle the low it entering the low pressure, high pressure, low velocity, and it leaves the water leaves the water leaves the nozzle at the high velocity and low pressure. A nozzle is designed to issue the compact jet at the high velocity with the minimum loss. A sphere inside the nozzle and a deflector at the outside the nozzles. These are the two parts which are used to regulate the quantity of water striking the bucket. So in the nozzle there is a sphere which is regulating the water flow, and the deflector which deflect the water straightly on a bucket. The runner with buckets. The runner is mounted on a horizontal shaft, and a periphery of the number of curved blades or buckets are suitably fixed. In a casing, the runner nozzle are housed in a metal casing to prevent the sloshing of water. Flushing of water is the purpose of the braking jet. It is used to bring the runner to rest in a short period or short time. The working of this Pelton turbine is the water from the reservoir is supplied through the nozzle to, uh, s- to the nozzle through a penstock. At the nozzle, all the available head is converted into kinetic energy and a compact of the jet high velocity which strikes the bucket. Due to this impact of the high energy, water at the bucket produce the impulse which cause the runner to rotate, which in turn the supply the torque to the shaft. The water after performing the work is discharged into the tail race below.